All right, you ready to go fishing? How YouTube has changed our lives. Family happiness. Getting to do these films with my son, watching him grow up, watching him learn these skills, this is something that I'm going to keep with me forever. And I really enjoy the fact that we get to share this time together, and not only just one-on-one, but when we go out with his mom and we go out with our friends and our family, it's just a great fellowship. It's a great adventure, and just like I said, it's just true happiness.
Sound of Fun Fishing. Subscribe, please.